8 songs and dances that they've learned throughout the past few months. So we're just going to start right away. For our first song, we have a live band playing. So a special thank you to Dennis Reynolds and my brother Lucas Williams.